What are the biggest differences between building AI infrastructure for health tech and FinTech, or maybe e-commerce and other fields? So.
Okay, Nasta, let me probably answer this one. So yeah, first of all, thank you for the question. It's really a good one because there is no silver bullet to build an infrastructure for everything. Yeah. So healthcare and fintech, they could be like quite common from the regulation perspective. So these industries are highly regulated, but for different standards, and they have a different risk models. So I would say you definitely the difference will be how we identify the risk and how we apply the security and how we build model and so on. And with e-commerce, which is mostly has low risk data, but it could be a massive amount of data. There could be data from I don't know, from different from different parts of the sources. It's usually more global. Yeah. So if you're talking e-commerce could be worldwide. So your AI will be different, depends on the industry for sure. Your model will be different because of your input data. Somehow, again, like in a health tech, it could be less structured. Yeah, in a fintech, it probably would be more structured because fintech is regulated by strict standards of reporting and strict standards of storing data. So that's one of the point, like different risk models, the second point, and amount of data. So I could suggest that in some cases, e-commerce could have much more data than actually other sectors. Yeah, in some cases, but it's not mandatory. So like what I would recommend, like some kind of patterns for which to start, like classify risks for every industry, and so like understand what's your risk, what's your regulation, and so on. Understood your scale, because your scale will influence your latency. So how fast you could be, how you could how scale, I mean like amount of data and your audience, and also for e-commerce, for example, it could be not so strict. Yeah, you could probably experiment faster because it's not so regulated as a fintech or healthcare.